frequency of building a first impression to have a good living. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, respectable audience. Will Roger, American actor, said, "You never have a second chance to make a first impression." First impression is an action, word, illustration, or initial spoken that are received by other people in their first time to encountering us. In this special occasion, I would like to tell you why building a first impression is a necessity for every single person who wants to aims successful achievement in life. And to begin my speech, I would like to tell you three reasons why building a first impression is a good thing to be done. First is because the human memory length. The second is the cause of halo effect to define in workplace. The third is fighting people indifference. And the last part of my speech, I will give my summarize or conclusion. Firstly, human memory about first impression. First impression become a reminiscence and outline of us before the eyes of the people. So, think of someone in your mind when I ask these three questions. First, who have a shrill voice in your class? The second, who was the tallest person in your senior high school? And the last is, who is your first love? Okay, now you have your answer in your head, right? So those three people are remembered because of their first time that they left to you. Once because of their voice, the second because of their appearance, and the last is because of their behavior that they met to make you fall in love with him or her. And based on journal social psychological and personality science, found out that illustration in form of image and voice are likely to remember easily Therefore, good impression make you would like to be a good investment in someone's reflexive mind. So good impression will make you like it's a good for your future. And second is the cause of halo effect to define in workplace. Everybody obviously wants to be a worker someday, right? Regarding first impression, here is the thing. So in this on my left side, this is the picture of the people that comes in the workplace with the stinky smell, messy hair, and untidy clothes. So the same person in that workplace will judge directly that worker like a bad worker, only seeing their appearance, only seeing their first impression. And then in my left side, can you see that the picture of those two people? So based on WNY new page said that the worker should show a good impression, a positive attitude, or even appropriate dress. So that picture showing us that we need to have a good impression and to make people that think that we are a good worker. Next, lastly the importance of first impression and fighting people indifference. So fighting people indifference are very important in the future. For example, like we are not a board student, right? So we are far away from our home and far away from our family. So um, and we're going aboard to doing a study. So for example, like you will stay with another aboard student, right? So we need to give them a good impression, we need to give them a good first impression to make us a better person. So if you didn't give them a good impression, or you give them a bad first impression, they will ignore you. For example, like this picture illustrates that that boy bonded with another boys, maybe it's because he give a bad impression. He give a first bad impression. And summarizing my speech, the building up the first impression should be put to a must do list in every step that you take, if it is possible, because it can affect the human memory. Because when we give the good impression, it will remind them that who we are. And the second is define in workplace, and the third is fighting people in the ranks to make our future is better. So, jumping back to the first saying I quote in my speech, you never have a second chance to make a first impression. So, why don't we give it a shot? Let us make our great first impression from now on. Thank you for your attention. Have a good day, respectable audience. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.